Hello, my name is Zenith and I'm 20 years old. I'm from Jaipur. So, at 2 years ago, I came to know about this problem, amblyopia that I had, and I visited many big centers, big hospitals, and clinics in Jaipur. But everybody just told me that it cannot be treated now. If I had done patching at an early age, there could have been some improvement, but now it is not possible as I'm 20 years old. So I lost all the hope, and but I kept on researching about this condition and how it can be treated. So then I came to know about a Visualize Clinic in Noida, and I talked to Rajiv Prasad, Mr. Rajiv Prasad doctor, and then he told me that it can be treated, and I was surprised. So I came here, I visited. When I came here, my vision was 624 partial, but in 2 months, my vision has gone to 6.9, which is amazing because everybody just told me that it cannot be treated, and Dr. Rajiv told me that it can be treated, and he has shown me that it can be treated. So don't lose hope and keep faith in this treatment. And I just want to say that it just requires your time and patience, and everything else can happen.
Great. Thank you, Zenith. Your message will definitely go on to many more people who is losing hope
Yes,
and is impatient about that how they can regain their vision.
yes, sir.
So, any specific thing which you would like to share with our people, all those people who will be seeing this video, any specific thing which happened with you because of your vision?
Sir, one thing I can say for sure that every job requires a proper eyesight, and because of that, I was very depressed. But when I came to know that it can be treated, so that was really amazing for me.
Wonderful. So, with this message, probably we are just sharing a ray of hope to all those people who has been suffering with amblyopia, lazy eyes. And thank you so much, Zenith. I'm really happy that we could help you gaining your vision 269, and we hope that in next few days or in a month's time, you should be 66 as well.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Has this good vision improved anything in your quality of vision during studies or anything?
Sir, this improved vision has reduced my headaches, reduced my eye strain, I sleep better, and I can concentrate better, I think. So, other than the eyesight improvement, it has other benefits too.
So you mean it is not only the quantity of vision which has improved, but qualitative vision has also
Yes,
improved, isn't it?
quality and quantity both.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Zenith. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.